In a world where our smartphones have become our eyes, capturing every moment from dawn to dusk, the quest for the perfect shot has never been more intense. But behind the scenes, in a remote corner of Saudi Arabia, a revolution is quietly unfolding. A revolution that's set to change the way we see the world. At King Abdullah University of Science and Technology, a team of visionary researchers has cracked the code to designing the next generation of camera lenses, and they are doing it in a way that's nothing short of extraordinary. What used to take months of painstaking work by skilled engineers can now be achieved in just one day. How? Through the power of artificial intelligence and a groundbreaking technique known as curriculum learning. Imagine teaching a child to walk. First, they learn to crawl, then stand, and eventually they take their first steps. Now, picture an AI doing something similar, not learning to walk but to design. That's the essence of curriculum learning. It's a method where the AI starts with the basics and gradually masters more complex tasks like shaping the curvature of a lens or optimizing light transmission, all without human intervention. This AI, dubbed Deep Lens, doesn't just tweak existing designs, it reimagines them from the ground up, exploring possibilities that even the most experienced engineers might never consider. And the results, lenses that are not only more efficient and compact, but capable of capturing images with unprecedented clarity and depth. But what does this mean for you and me? It means the next time you pull out your phone to snap a photo, you could be holding a piece of technology that's been designed by an AI in just 24 hours. A camera lens optimized for low light, high speed, or even 3D imaging. It means the barriers of design have been shattered, opening up a new world of possibilities for mobile photography. And this is just the beginning. The team at Coast is already pushing the boundaries further, working to integrate refractive lenses with metal lenses and diffractive optics, creating hybrid systems that could make our devices even thinner, lighter, and more powerful. The implications stretch far beyond just smartphones. We are talking about advancements that could revolutionize everything from medical imaging to virtual reality. In medical imaging, for example, where precision is paramount, AI designed lenses could lead to breakthroughs in diagnostics. Imagine a world where doctors can see inside the human body with clarity that was once unimaginable, enabling early detection of diseases and more effective treatments. In the realm of augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, the potential is equally exciting. AI optimized lenses could transform the way we experience digital worlds, making AR and VR more immersive with sharper, more lifelike visuals. Imagine putting on a VR headset and being transported into a world where every detail, every color is rendered with the precision of a master artist. And let's not forget the world of consumer electronics, where AI-driven lens design could redefine our everyday gadgets. Think about your next smartphone. What if it could capture professional-grade photos even in the most challenging conditions? Or your next drone equipped with lenses that deliver crystal-clear aerial footage, revolutionizing everything from filmmaking to surveying. The impact even extends to the world of security and surveillance. AI-designed lenses could enhance the accuracy and efficiency of security cameras, providing sharper, more detailed footage that could be crucial in solving crimes or monitoring critical areas. And in scientific research, where precision and accuracy are everything, these lenses could push the boundaries of what we can observe and understand. From studying distant galaxies to examining microscopic organisms, AI-designed lenses could open new windows into the universe, helping scientists make discoveries that were once beyond our reach. In a world where every millisecond counts, where innovation races ahead at breakneck speed, AI like Deep Lens is not just keeping pace, it's leading the charge. The future of lens design is here, and it's more extraordinary than we ever imagined. So the next time you capture a memory, remember, you're not just taking a picture, you're part of a revolution in how we see the world. From smartphones to scientific instruments, the lenses of tomorrow are being designed today, and they're about to change everything.